Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping by. Well, we had an incident with the motorhome. That's right, we had an incident. Let me take you outside and I'll show you what happened. Not good. That's right. That's right, our catalytic converter was stolen. Someone jumped under here and cut it out. So let's talk about it. As you can see, clean cut. Didn't take them long. So yeah, as you just saw, somebody jumped under there and swiped our catalytic converter. I came out here the other day. Now, it's been about 2 weeks now. Came out, started it up, it sounded like a Harley. I knew exactly what happened as soon as I heard the engine fire up. So, unfortunately, that happened. Called insurance. Luckily, it's covered under comprehensive. And we have, I forget exactly what we have. It's depreciating. I forget the term, but our deductible is very low. I think because of the age of the motorhome. So everything's covered under insurance. I just have to pay deductible. I guess this, it happens. It happens quite frequently, unfortunately. Even the insurance adjuster said so. All you can really do is try to slow them down, which I'm going to try to do. I had plans to at least put my VIN on the catalytic converter, etch it in, and it just, you procrastinate. Filed police report. That was a question they had was, they just ask you all the questions. What do you know about, anybody in the area, any suspects, any way we can tell what your cat looked like. Unfortunately, I had no pictures of it. Like I said, it is what it is. I've got an appointment today to actually take it in to our local, the local automotive place up the street. They have a slot. They work on RVs. I've taken it there before, so they're going to look at it today, give me a quote, send it over to insurance. Insurance already called them, so we're all set to go. I just have to drive it over, and I know it's going to sound like it's going to sound bad. It's going to sound like a Harley, but we'll get that done. Stay tuned. I bought a cat strap for it, so when I get it back, I'm going to put a cat strap on it at least. I've got some other ideas on, making it a little bit harder to get. It's going to be a project. Stay tuned for another video once everything's done. Yeah, it's unfortunate this happened. If you've ever thought about at least etching your VIN in your catalytic converter, I would recommend doing it. At least it's something. But unfortunately, this happens. It happens a lot. All right. Well, I just want to get this out there. Get it documented for me, just as a remembrance of the event. And stay tuned for other videos. I appreciate you all stopping by. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.